Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best tire changer for home garage in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is XK USA Tire Changer and Balancer Combo. The XK988 has some additional features over the 950 that will make tire installation easier. One major improvement is the extra arms, which greatly assist in the tire removal and installation of run-flat and larger low-profile tires. The swivel arm features a boot that is useful for tires with a stiff sidewall. A second arm features a roller that keeps the bead depressed, making it easier to lift the bead over the head. It also helps to prevent damage to the rim or tearing the bead. If you need to install some wide or run-flat tires, the XK USA 988 is a good budget option. Overall, this is a good combo for the money with a lot of features that can be high performance and run flat tires. Number 2. Our second best pick is Mayflower Tire Changer and Balancer Combo. Another good option for the money is the Mayflower 980 Tire Installer and the 800 Balancer. While it will not be able to install run-flat tires as it lacks the extra arms, it is capable of handling larger wheels with a 13-inch to 24 outside and 15 to 28 inside clamping range. Likewise, it can mount tires up to 49-inch, and that is the highest of any tire installer reviewed. Like the tire machine, the Balancer can handle larger wheel and tire combinations. This makes it ideal for larger passenger vehicles or trucks with large tires. It also features multiple modes for balancing wheels and can handle motorcycles as well. If you need to mount and balance tires on larger vehicles, this is probably the best combination out there. Number 3. Our third best pick is XK USA Tire Changer and Tire Balancer Combo. The XK USA Tire Changer and Balancer Combo are one of the best deals out there. They are perfect for light-duty use such as a small repair shop or home garage. The outside rim clamping diameter between 10-inch to 20 is decent, and it can handle tires up to 37, so unless you have a truck with some big mud tires, it will be more than adequate. The bead breaker has a force of 5,600 pounds, which again is sufficient and comparable to high-priced tire installers. It has a bead blaster that helps seat the tire on the rim. Overall, this is a good entry-level tire changer, although it lacks some of the accessories that are helpful when installing run-flat and low-profile tires. The XK USA 950 or 580 is a good entry-level tire installer and balance combo. While it is basic and the installer is not ideal for low-profile and run-flat tires, it will get the job done. For a home garage, this is probably the best choice for the money. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Triumph NTC Tire Changer and NTB Balancer Combo. While on the higher end of the price range for tire installers and balancers, the Triumph NTC 9501 and NTB 550 combo is probably the most capable option out there. Likewise, the installer can mount most tires out there, including larger trucks. It also features a separate arm that can be used to depress the bead. This is a must when installing tires with a stiff sidewall. It also has a second arm with a hat that can be placed under the inner bead, which is helpful when removing the tire. Another feature is a powerful bead breaker and inflator system. Overall, this is a good combination for a busier shop that does some tire installations. The mounter can install tires on just about any wheel out there and is one of the few that can handle run flats as well. If you want a machine that is built to last with good versatility, the Triumph NTC 9501 and NTB 550 Balancer Combo are worth a look. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Nationwide NW Tire Changer and NW Combo. While the tire installer is fairly basic and similar to the XK USA 950, the balancer is one of the better models out there. This is a capable installer that can install most types of tires aside from run flats and some lower profile tires. However, it does have some extra features like a built-in water separator. This is important since water will damage the internal components and they can be costly to replace. While the mounter is basic, this combo makes up for it with the balancer. The NW953 balancer has quite a few features and is one of the better units available. It is self-calibrating and has a diagnosis program that many balancers do not have. It has several balancing modes for different types of wheels along with a multi-operator mode, and this is perfect for a busy repair shop. What this does is save time when you are working on several cars with different people. Instead of having to set the machine each time, you can change operators and switch it back to the settings for the previous car. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.